Hi, I'm Jay and welcome back to my channel. I'm heading off to Cobham Services for the AF car meet. It's the first meet I've ever filmed, so let's see how it goes. We have a Toyota Celica GT4, R35 GTR, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, BMW M4, C63 Coupe. We have turned up then. It is equally as crowded as always for car meets here at Cobham Services. So let's take a look at some of the cars that have turned up. This one opens a pretty cool way to get us started. We have a bright red Morgan right here. The spoiler on the Mark 4 Golf GTI is equally as larger than the car itself. Sitting next to a Porsche 997 Carrera. So let's have a swift look at these BMW E36s. This one that's showing off is very green, it's very brave pink engine bay. This one is in a very brave shaded red with gold wheels and a black front splitter. This one is in a deep plum green. There's also a white Mark III Super over there as well. We've got the Toyota Celica GT, BMW 3 Series, and the very low dark green E36. S14's giving some revolutions, but we have a E46 Coupe right here, next to a very brave green Audi RS5, a purple Volkswagen Golf R, I like these a lot, another R35 GTR, a black Fiesta ST, first GTR today, this one has a Martini livery, and a BMW 440i as well. 92 and 3 also sounds good. R35 GTR number 4 of today. Mazda MX5 with royal cage bucket seats. Orange turbo at the front and plenty more. Also a white Subaru Impreza STI as well. There was another E46 right here, a C43 AMG, and an Audi RS4 Estate as well. It's also showing us. It's very clean carbon fibre engine bay. The red Toyota Glanza, which has a Club Sport sticker on the roof of it, a front mount cooler, which has necessarily Eaton and black wheels as well. So a silver S15 with chrome silver wheels to match. Fiat Punto R-bar with a Ferrari badge on the wheels. Some intercooler bars on the front of it as well. That is very brave. And this very brave WRC blue Subaru Impreza STI with gold wheels. Next to my dad's Subaru Forester, which I drove to Cobham Services here in as well. There's a silver Mazda RX-7, this looks amazing. We also have a white S14 with white wheels and red bucket seats to match, making it quite the spectacle. And here is one of the best cars that clearly stands out to me today, BMW E39 M5. A dark green MX5, Mama MX5 also with a bright yellow strap on the engine, showing off his very clean engine bay. Another green MX5, and a Mitsubishi Evo 6 as well, with a front mount cooler, which is Eaton. We have a Mark 8 Volkswagen Golf GTI. First time seeing a few of those out recently. A BMW M2 in blue with a carbon fibre lip spoiler and diffuser and some more stuff. Silver Astra VXR. Also a red Mark 1 MX5. They are the diamond dozen right now. There's also shown off his turbocharger as well. There's a Mini Cabriolet with an Audi RS5 badge on it. Why bother? I didn't spot this coming in. 1.4 Supra. Gets to his back. He's loving life. And here is one of the cars that's been neglected in my video so far of this car meet. Mitsubishi Evo 7 from our intercooler. Looking very nice and white with his gold wheels and red calipers. 350Z looks nice in grey paintwork. Looks like track ready. Ignoring the alarm in the background, there's a pretty cool Mazda MX5 turnout today. And alongside the MX5 lineup, with a Volvo estate with stickers, 2 classic Volkswagen Polos, white Nissan 350Z, you don't see many of these in white, and the classic bright blue Helmet Imp next to it. I also didn't see the Zeiss 200 rolling in. Baby blue headlights to the front. Looks like a work in progress. Godfather's also departing. M4 was departing there. S15 is departing. Here's the combo, RX7, RX8. Winky wonky, winky wonky. But as there are a few more cars dotted around the meets, I'm going to end the video now, so I really hope you enjoyed that selection of cars from Cobham Services, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more awesome content from these meets in the future, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.